Congratulations on reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is a significant milestone, and it's the first step towards monetizing your channel through the YouTube Partner Program. However, it's important to note that the number of subscribers alone doesn't directly translate into earnings. Instead, your revenue will depend on several factors, including ad views. Not all views will have ads, and not all viewers will watch ads. Engagement. Videos with higher engagement, likes, comments, shares may be prioritized by the algorithm. CPM, cost per mil. This is the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions on your videos. CPM rates vary widely based on content niche, audience demographics, and other factors. RPM, revenue per mil. This is the estimated earnings per 1,000 views after YouTube's cut 45% of ad revenue. To give you a rough idea, the average earnings for YouTube creators can range from $2 to $12 per 1,000 views. However, this is a broad estimate, and your actual earnings can be higher or lower based on the above factors. If you want to calculate potential earnings more accurately, you can use online tools like the YouTube Money Calculator, which estimates earnings based on your video, view count, engagement, and other metrics too. Remember, to start earning, you also need to meet the criteria of 4,000 watch hours or 10 million YouTube Shorts views within the last 12 months. In addition to having 1,000 subscribers, keep creating great content, and as your channel grows, so will your potential earnings. Good luck!